This is a Kasto saw, model SSB 260 VA.
And see what we got here. Take a quick peek in here and we'll work our way around, Dean, and show a little bit of what's on board here. We'll come back to the control panel later. Speed control for the spindle, flow control, pressure controls, and of course this is distance for the shuttle down here. Work your way over to the side here. And kind of, there's not much you can see on this side. We'll come around here, take a look inside. First down low maybe, come on down to the hydraulic system. That all looks and sounds good with the shuttle cylinder right up above it here. And we got documentation on operational aspects and electrical, no problem there. And of course the feed table's not here, but we got a 20-foot feed table that goes alongside of this. We open up the rear door and just a few basics. You can kind of see the blade assembly up in here, the rear shuttle vise, front vise, and of course the nesting clamp for vertical, which we're running right now. It can be moved up and put away if it's not being used. That's the hydraulic cylinder off the throttle for blade tension. There's a pot up in there for a broken blade that senses it. And then of course you've got blade control here that maybe I can show it on the front side better. It's got a 10-volt proc switch on there that shows the blade veering off course or going a little bit on an angle, and it'll shut the system down. So it's pretty accurate that way. So we'll kind of close this up a little bit maybe and come around here. Main hydraulic package is down here. Down low, next to it the conveyor, all works fine. Solenoid valves. Moving your way up to the electric panel. It's all pretty standard. Breakers, a couple of timers in there, and again the front control panel, which we're going around to. So that's that. And this guy sticking out here is just a manual adjustment for the front vise, how far it will open and close. So we're pretty far back right now, just so we can show the vise all the way. I'm going to turn it on, and hydraulics are up. That's all we got right now. There's pressure coming up. Hydraulics are on. The work light is on. Come around this side a little bit. I'll show just the vices straight away. There's the front vise that works with the vertical clamping for bundling or nesting, if you will. These both work in conjunction with each other. That's all good. Any way you want to go. So we take that all the way back. That goes all the way up. There's that stop bar right here, which is adjustable. Like I said, if you want, you can move the stop bar up and swing the vertical clamp out of the way if it's not being used. And the shuttle is in the rear. I'm set for a good 1 foot and a half feet out, just so we can, for the sake of the video, show things. And the rear clamp off the shuttle is back here. And a block of wood right here, just to kind of clamp up on and make the machine happy for the sake of operational aspects. So I'm just going to go right into a single mode first. Single cut, it'll all clamp up. Cut, go in, go back, and shut off. And then we'll do a repeat of the same thing, but go into auto cycle. On the auto cycle, I've got about I think I've got a 3 feed cycle set up, an infinite number of on the batch count. I'm at 900 pieces, so it'll go infinitely, realistically. So, and this is speed control. We can start this up right away. And we're going about 50% speed right now on the blade. It'll clamp up. I think I can lower it if goes a little bit faster. This all works. That's a hydraulic vary disc up at the spindle. As you see right now, we're moving real slow on the blade. I can slow it down, but all you can do is listen to it. See? That's going real slow. We're feeding slow. When we hit there, right about there, we're going to shut down. You have to kind of move in there a little bit. That's that. And now if you look up here, we do have blade control on. It's working. I've got my green lights. And this, once this is calibrated and set for the amount of variance you want on the blade, this guy down here, if you kind of zoom back over here, it's got this switch, a 0 to 10 volt switch off a gate that works in and out. And that's what keeps your blade from going off side to side too much. And if it goes a little bit too far, it will shut off the whole machine. So coming back here again, I'm going to do the same thing again. Fire up on hydraulics. Hydraulics come up, lights come out. I'll start in single cycle and then you switch over to auto cycle on the fly, and we'll do a repeat. I'm going to speed up the blade speed so we kind of cycle a little bit faster here. That's pretty fast for a vertical saw right there. Got the guide rollers up here, which are hand adjustable. Yep. May not catch it. Let's see if it resets itself. Let's try again. Maybe my timer's not up. Reset. It should go now. We should shuttle. Let's see if it works. There we go. Kind of looking back. It should come forward. This one's open now. Yep. We're going to do three feeds on this one. After this, we maybe walk around the back as soon as it does the final clamp up and cuts. One more feed. That should be it on this part. And we're going in. So now we do the same thing going around the back. I'm moving real slow with it. If you want to work around the back and do the same thing, I'll just let it go into it. It's a little bit better look at what's going on back there. Let's speed it up now. Let's start speeding it up. Speed out on the fly here off this hand wheel down here, Dean. I just brought it in about 8 inches on the fly. Now you'll see on this last speed maybe it'll go a lot shorter. Watch. See, now we're only going back about 3 inches, so. Watch me. There we go. And I'm going to flip it over to single cycle now. It's going to go in, do its final cuts. Like I said, the depth counter is at 900, so it'll go infinitely. This will be the last piece. And that's pretty much it on that.